Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the half double crochet mesh stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the second chain from your hook. Make 1 chain, skip 1 chain, into the next chain make a half double crochet. Make a chain, skip a chain, into the next one make a half double crochet. Make a chain, skip a chain, into the next one make a half double crochet. And you're going to repeat this until you reach the end of your row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 half double crochet. Make a chain, skip this open space made from a previous chain 1 in your last row. Into this previous half double crochet, make a half double crochet. Into this previous half double crochet, make a half double crochet. Make 1 chain to skip over this previous chain 1 space. Into this next half double crochet, make a half double crochet. Chain 1, skip this space. Into this previous half double crochet, make a half double crochet. And you're now going to repeat this for the rest of your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the half double crochet mesh stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.